Kelsey here at Name Yet Marsh, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own salt dough fossil. So to make the salt dough, you're going to need flour, salt, water, a mixing bowl and spoon, a cookie cutter or a makeshift one, nature items, parchment paper, and a sheet pan. You can also use a rolling pin if you would like. Alright, so if you have a larger batch, this is especially important. You're going to use a cookie cutter if you'd like and cut out your shape. It's okay if your shape's not perfect, fossils aren't perfect. Next, you want to sprinkle just a little bit of flour. Next, using your nature finds, you're going to create your fossil prints. Once you're happy with your fossil, you're going to let it dry. You can put it in an oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 1.5 hours to about 2 hours, or you can let it air dry in front of a window for 4 to 7 days. Either way, once it's dry, it should not be sticky to the touch, and you can tell it's set. After that, you're all done. You have your very own salt dough clay fossil. Thanks for watching.